Okay, we have got a Holden Cruze with a p0171 fault code. At the moment my fuel trims are coming back. We had a long-term fuel trim of around 26, 27 in the positive, and now they're coming back. The reason that they're coming back now is because I have unplugged the solenoid here. So this setup is a bit different to some of the other ones shown on YouTube. Our PCV tube comes through here. We initially thought it was the PCV valve in the rocket cover. We smoke tested, pushing smoke through this way, and it was coming through to the rocket cover. So we thought that was wrong. It was coming out the oil cap until we got the new rocket cover in and tried it on that, and that also does the same thing. Okay, so we're looking at this guy at the moment. Okay, so what we've found is with this pipe connected, the fuel trims were climbing. With it disconnected and blocked, they were dropping. And then, so we just looked at our fuel cap. The fuel cap did hiss when we took it off, which indicates that it's sealed. But then we've just chucked another O-ring on it to help seal it better. And our fuel trims have come back much closer to the 0 mark. So for what it's worth, we might just try another cap on this and see what happens to our fuel trims. Okay, so new fuel cap on now, and our fuel trims are running fairly close to 0 there. First time I've come across that in my career, of a faulty seal on a fuel cap. And when I pulled the fuel cap off yesterday, it even hissed, indicating it was sealed, but obviously it's not. Wasn't quite sealing properly, or there was a problem with the venting in it. So yeah, these will go up and down between positive and negative. But yeah, there you go. What a job to find that.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.